Good afternoon, ladies. My name's Josie Block, and I'm jumping on here because I have never actually showed you a current enrollment kit, and I currently have one. So I'm going to jump on and I'm going to show you what you can get for the $99. And if you finish watching, I have I have 2 offers for 2 lucky people that are interested in sharing this opportunity with me. A little background about 31 is it started in 2003, so we're coming up on 15 years this month. Started in October of 2003 in the founder and CEO Cindy Monroe's basement. She was our very first consultant, and she continues to host parties every now and again. She's currently in the process of going back to her very first hostess next week, and is going to start host a party there next week as well. So what comes in this $99 kit is, it's the best deal in the catalog for one, because it's over $300 worth of products for $99, and you get business supplies for up to your first 4 parties. Now, what is in our catalog is right behind me here, and I'll be showing off. Not all of this is what you'll get. You will actually, or not in the exact print. I just have the items. I have most of them in the correct prints currently, but as of right now, this is what we got. I think 2 of them are not in the current print. Yes, 2 of them are not in the current print. So that is just a little background of 31. We were named 31 off of Proverbs 31 in the scripture, and we were named that because that chapter of Proverbs is all about being an empowered woman and empowering other women to be their best self. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you our enrollment kit that is $99. All of this is more than $99 itself, and these are our top 10 products overall in the entire company. We always make sure that we set you up for success right from the jump. And we are going to go ahead and start with our number 1 bestseller, which is what a lot of us, or when you think of 31, a lot of you think of this tote. Now, this is not the exact tote that you will get, not this print, but it is our large utility tote, and they are very versatile in everything that that you can use it for. It will actually come in a hot pink box, and all of these items that I have and I will be showing you will fold up into this tote. So when you get your hot pink box, you will just lift up this tote, and everything, business supplies, all of your goods here will be in this tote. So it's very easy to just grab your your enrollment kit, go to your party. It'll have a lid with it. I don't have one on here, but you'll have your lid, and you can just put it in the back of your car and go. It is so easy and manageable to take on the go with you. This is our large utility tote. It's originally $35. Great for grocery shopping, great for storage. I've got, if I were to turn around over here and show you how many I have in just this room alone, you will be surprised. And this is one of our iconics that we get embroidered. When you get your enrollment kit, it will actually say I love 31 on it. So kind of just branding yourself out there when you're using it. And that's our number 1. Our number 2 top selling item, and the original diaper bag. For those of you that don't know, we just started a baby line, and this was the inspiration. Now, you don't have to use this for a diaper bag, but it is known for the diaper bag. I know when I got my enrollment kit, I instantly used mine because I had a 6-month-old. So I was starting to stay home with him. Give you a little background of my story. I wanted to stay home with him for as long as possible, but I still wanted to be able to contribute to the income somehow, and 31 is allowing me to do that. So this is our zip top organizing utility tote. It has 5 flat pockets, so 3 on this side, and it has 2 on this side right here, but it also has 2 mesh pockets on the side. So you could fill these 5 up with with your bottles for your children, and then these two can be for you, because we always want to take care of ourselves as well. This is in one of our new prints. This is in our origami pop, and it is very accessible. You can keep it closed, and it does not open or zip all the way, so you can dig down in here and reach for something really quickly. It's all open on the inside. I've actually got little plastic paper in here to keep it standing, but it's all open on the inside, and it's wipeable on the inside as well, so if anything spills in there, you can wipe it down. So again, this is our zip top organizing utility tote, and again, this is also $35. So these two down here, you can't really see, those two, this and the large utility tote alone, are $70. And you're getting all of this for $99. So it is a great deal. The next thing I want to share with you, I'm going to try and move this down a little bit further. Okay, so the next one I'm going to share with you is right here. This is our little carry-all caddy, and this is in our new fall print. Also, this is our Forest Friends print. And what's nice about this, hey, Albert. So what's nice about this is that I use these in my kitchen for my taco seasoning packets, or just gravy seasonings, my, what do you call them, Crystal Light packets. My son has one with his name on it that has all of his snacks in it, so when he gets older, he can reach in and grab his snack. And I have another one that holds all of his sippy cup bottles, or lids, and it's perfect kitchen organization. I don't know, we have one with sandwich bags, we have one in the bathroom for hairbrushes and hair products, and I've got a bunch of them in here for yarn needles and things of that nature. So this is our little carry-all caddy. This is $14. So those three products I just shared with you would be the $99, and all of this that I'm going to show you, you will get for $99. Our next one is our cinch sack. Now this is the exact cinch sack that came in my enrollment kit. So if you have kiddos that are in sports that need to change for extra clothes, you will get this particular one, but it will have a cute little fox embroidered on it. And this is our cinch sack. The next item that comes in our enrollment kit is our, well, not that one, but this is our fold and file. And as you can see, I am currently using it, but it will be this exact print. This is our origami stripe, or our ombre stripe. So it's got maroon and hot pink and orange. I'm currently using mine. This is all of my business stuff. So when I'm ready to sit down and do thank you notes, or pass out happy mail, or send out newsletters, or anything like that, my happy planner is in there. I will just pull this down and go to work. Oh, okay. And then on this side, it's got two extra pockets. So I've got my notebook here and my business cards and a pen. So I am all set there. And this is our fold and file. This is $25 by itself. So since you guys decided to fall, our number 3 top seller is also in this list. So like I said, it will come with our top 10 products. Number 3 is our All About the Benjamins wallet. So this is one of those wallets that was on sale this month, or last month, and it's got 10 or 12 credit card slots. One is for your ID, and then it's got 6 here, and then it's got a flat back here for maybe some coupons or your checkbook or something. It's got another pocket here, a zipper pocket, and then this is where your additional cards will go, you know, the ones where you don't really need to use them all the way. And then it has an additional one where you can put your cash, and it will come with a matching wristlet strap. This does not match it, but this is in our Merlot, so it kind of matches my shirt. It's a maroon color. Our next one is again in the origami pop, and this is our zipper pouch. Now these can be used for everything and anything. I have one that has my Y bag in it, which keeps all of my everything that my reasoning for joining 31. I have one over here that I like to show, but this one is specifically for traveling. So this holds our Kindle and our Nook in here and all of the chargers, and I just throw it in my bag and we are ready to go, and we can take this with us when we are when we go to visit other grandparents or other friends and we need to keep the little one occupied, I can just throw it in my purse and we are good to go. This is our zipper pouch. And last but not least, we always try to carry a thermal as well. This is not the exact thermal that you will get, but this is a new item. It's our crossbody thermal. So it's much like our thermal tote that we have, but it's a crossbody. And it's got an additional pocket here for silverware and whatnot. And then it also has, it's perfect for lunches. So, again, even if you decide you don't want to become a full-time consultant or a consultant at all, you just want the best deal in the catalog, you're setting yourself up for things that you will use on a daily basis. This was great for when we went out to the beach. I could just carry this with me, and it was hands-free. It made me hands-free. I still had room for my other bags that we needed to carry. And last but not least, we're going to send you off with a bag as well. And this is our Retro Metro bag. We just brought this back last fall. We put some new and improved designs to it. So if you've heard of them in the past, you know that these Retro Metro bags looked frayed. Well, they are no longer frayed anymore. And this is in our 12 stripe. We've got 2 pockets on each side. It won't be embroidered. This is actually just my embroidery. And then it's got a nice little message here for you. And it says, what does it say? Love the person you were meant to be. And it has a zipper pocket here and 2 flat pockets. And this will be the print that would come in your enrollment kit. And this is our Retro Metro bag. This alone is $58. So when I tell you you are getting the best deal in the catalog, I am not lying. You are getting the best deal in the catalog. And again, like I said, you will, I'm going to kneel down now. You will also be getting 25 catalogs, 40 mini catalogs. You will get a how-to flyer. You will get 10 hostess envelopes. You'll get order forms. You will get everything that you need to set yourself up for your first 4 parties. And that's just enrolling for the $99. That is not including what will happen for you when you become a consultant in the first 5 months, or for your first 5 months. We have this nice little new consultant program. It is called Wishes Come True. And with that, for every $1,000 you sell, you are eligible to get 400 points in Wishes points, and those can be used for $400 in 31 product, or your website fee, or your automatic flyers, or business supplies, or anything that you need it for that involves 31. You can use that, or you can use 200 of it as a Visa gift card, or you can use 200 of it as a Disney gift card, and this just accumulates in the first 5 months. So if you sell $1,000 from now until February, if you sell consistent 1,000, that's $5,000, and you are looking at 2,000 points, 4, 8, 12, 16, yeah, 2,000 points. 2,000 Wishes points, so that's $2,000 in 31 money, 1,000 in a Visa gift card, or 1,000 towards Disney, and you only have that, you can use that for 2 years. So that's just the first 5 months of your consultant program. And now what I want to offer to you is that currently from now until October 15th, I have 2 opportunities for 2 of you to join my team for the $99 and get an $84 rebate on the week of the 25th. So if you are interested in that and are interested in starting your journey and everything that I just shared with you, go ahead and comment down below or private message me, and I will gladly help you start your journey today. I just want to tell you that this has helped me not only contribute to the income in some type of way for me and my family, but I've also been able to buy a new TV that wasn't in the budget because somebody broke it, not naming names. And it's also affording us to allow my husband to go to a pretty big Detroit Lions game this upcoming Sunday, along with my dad. So I was able to buy 2 tickets with my paycheck and with the Wishes Come True incentive. And it's given me a self-confidence that I didn't think I had. I didn't know that I'd be any good at this sales stuff, and I've actually got a team of 7 people and am on my way to becoming in leadership, and it's completely all run from home. I work 2 to 3 hours a day, if that. I set myself up to make sure that I have a great customer base, I have a good support system with my team, with my family, and other consultants themselves. I have met so many different women in this company, and they all support me. I found ones that are similar in my journey, and we talk every single day. I have never met them, but we talk every single day, whether it's FaceTime or through Facebook or through a text message. So if you're looking for that support and that sisterhood, 31 will help you with that as well. So we just started branching out to Puerto Rico and other Spanish-speaking communities. So if you're bilingual, or you know somebody that is only fluent in Spanish but could use this opportunity, definitely send them my way, because we have the means to do that for them also. So I really hope that this helped you all in some way, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.